If you're working in industry, especially in a manufacturing company, an engineering background is very helpful. And that would include both understanding of product development, but also understanding of process development. The new craze of lean is very, very important as our companies here in the States become more and more competitive to the rest of the world. Lean is a rather complex word when it comes to what does that mean, because lean basically looks at eliminating waste, but how you do that, you need a scientific method for resolving those type of issues. And so it could involve Six Sigma concepts, it could involve the Toyota production system concept, which we use in our company, but it also could involve QRM, which is quick response manufacturing. What's important is to take these really good ideas on how to become more as an efficient manufacturer and meld them together and create your own culture in the area of lean. But that is lean. In addition, we have to be strong in marketing. We have to hear the voice of the customer, and then we need to develop our products and our services to what the customer needs are, not what we think the customer should have. To do that, we have to listen.